really good. One of the things I was hesitant in the beginning, it's not the cheapest, but it's worth every penny of it because you have so much more information than what you think you're going to get. And you'll be able to take that information and use it for years to come, and it gives you a better visual of where you want your business to go. Focusing on my numbers and knowing that there's a lot of changes that I need to make with the staff. I knew that there were some, but even more have been pointed out. Sometimes when you're right in the thick of things, you can't see everything that's going on. When you go back and sit back for a minute, it really helps to be able to see in someone else from the outside. It can give you a lot of good perspective on things. So that was great, but I think even more so than that, being able to see how I can make my dream into a reality to grow and expand my business.